Welcome to One Word at a Time, the show where we take a close look at the curious words we use every day. Today's episode is about the strange and mysterious word kerfuffle. That's Kerfuffle. Wow, were you in the cafeteria today? There was a huge kerfuffle.
What in the world is a kerfuffle? Is it a dessert?
Yeah, what does the word kerfuffle mean?
Ooh, I have another idea. I think it's a fruit roll.
No, you got it all wrong.
Is it even a food at all?
No, it's not a food, it's a commotion.
Whoa, how do you know that?
Yeah, how did you find that out?
Well, first we looked at the history and the meaning of kerfuffle. That's Kerfuffle.
I found out that the opposite of kerfuffle means something is calm, peaceful, and quiet.
Yeah, that makes sense because the meaning of kerfuffle is a commotion. So the opposite is calm, peaceful, and quiet.
I found a graph that showed the growing use of this word in the U.S. This word kerfuffle wasn't used that often in the early 1940s, and it started picking up more in the 1950s, and it's been used often since.
Yes, I also found out it was used in 1930s in Canadian English. Ultimately, it is from Scottish kerfuffle. That's Kerfuffle.
I found out that kerfuffle, Kerfuffle, was first attested with Scottish writers, and it's from a verb meaning disorder, dishevel.
What do you mean first attested?
Well, it means before the 16th century, we don't have any evidence that it was written down.
Oh, okay, now I get it.
Yeah, now I know what you mean about the word attested. Now this is a sentence from the book series Harry Potter. In all the kerfuffle, nobody seemed to have noticed Harry, which suited him perfectly.
Wow, I never knew that either. Now do you get what the word kerfuffle means?
Yes, now we get it. Kerfuffle, Kerfuffle, is probably from a dialect word based on Scottish verb fuffle, to throw into disorder, from 1530s.
There are plenty of ways to use kerfuffle in a sentence. For example,
when the school heard about having seatbelts on the buses, they had a big kerfuffle.
Yes, they did.
Another example is,
if my parents forget my birthday this year, I will start a huge kerfuffle.
There is also a nail polish color called kerfuffle.
A fun fact is there is an ice cream flavor that is called truffle kerfuffle.
Wow, I'm going to try that sometime. What is in truffle kerfuffle?
It is vanilla ice cream with roasted pecans, fudge chips, and a salted chocolate ganache swirl.
There is also a game called Kerfuffle, and it has over 100 dice.
Did you know there's also a book called Deadly Kerfuffle and a book called A Christmas Day Kerfuffle?
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today. We here at Cambridge Elementary invite you to listen and learn the fascinating abundance revealed in each and every word, one word at a time.